How to quickly earn more Microsoft Rewards points. Now, to earn more on Microsoft Rewards points is very easy. So first things first is for you to be able to earn rewards on Microsoft is to use the Bing searches specifically for Microsoft. So if you do any processes or any activities on Bing searches like this one, you will have or you will accumulate points. So if you'd like to make it faster, all you have to do is to download an extension. So on your web browser, just go to the new tab and then go to Chrome Web Store. And here we will be downloading a certain extension for us to be able to earn more rewards points. And here just click on the first link, which will redirect you to Chrome Web Store. And then here just simply type in Bing Automate. So this is the first result right here. So you'll just have to download and install this extension on your Google Chrome. Now once it is already installed, you'll just have to pin it from the puzzle icon right here and then go back to your Microsoft account and go back to the Bing searches and activate that extension. That's it. It's how you quickly earn more Microsoft rewards points.